Imagine waking up, opening your laptop, and seeing 3 new client payments waiting for you, all for work that AI helped you finish in just a few hours yesterday. No team, no office, no expensive degree. Just you, a few powerful AI tools, and a system that businesses are eager to pay for.
Sounds unrealistic? A few years ago, it probably was. But today, thousands of freelancers are quietly building one-person AI agencies that bring in anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 a month. And the crazy part is that most small businesses still have no idea how to use AI effectively. That means a huge opportunity exists for anyone willing to step in and help.
But here's the problem. Most beginners approach this the wrong way. They try to learn every AI tool on the internet. They try to offer 10 different services at once. They spend weeks watching tutorials instead of taking action. That's exactly how people get overwhelmed and quit before landing their first client. So in this video, you're going to learn the simple framework for building a one-person AI agency from scratch. By the end, you'll understand how to choose the right service, find clients, and turn AI into a powerful leverage tool instead of just another app on your computer. The real reason this opportunity exists is simple. Businesses are confused about AI. They hear about tools like ChatGPT, AI automation, AI marketing, and AI content every day. They know it's important, but they don't have time to learn it. Imagine a local restaurant owner. Their day is packed with managing staff, handling customers, and making sure everything runs smoothly. Learning how to write prompts, automate workflows, or generate marketing content with AI is the last thing on their list. So what do? They either ignore AI completely or they hire someone who understands it.
And that someone can be you.
A one-person AI agency works because you're solving a knowledge gap. You're not selling technology, you're selling outcomes. More leads, better social media content, automated responses to customers, or faster marketing campaigns. Businesses care about results, not tools.
Now, here's one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. They try to offer too many services. Their profile says they do AI chatbots, AI video editing, AI copywriting, AI lead generation, AI automation, AI design, and basically everything else. To a client, that looks confusing and inexperienced. Instead, successful one-person agencies focus on solving one clear problem. For example, you might help real estate agents create AI-powered social media content, or you could build simple AI chatbots for small businesses that answer customer questions automatically. Maybe you create AI email marketing systems for online stores. Notice the pattern. Each service focuses on one industry and one result. Think of it like doctors. If you needed heart surgery, would you go to a general doctor or a heart specialist? Most people choose the specialist. The same principle works in freelancing. When you focus on one problem, clients see you as an expert much faster. Another thing many people overcomplicate is the tools. They think they need dozens of AI apps to start an agency. In reality, most successful solo agencies use a very small tool stack. Usually, it's something like ChatGPT or Claude for writing and strategy, Canva for simple graphics, CapCut or similar tools for editing short videos, automation tools like Zapier or Make for connecting systems together, and sometimes a chatbot builder if you offer that service. That's really all you need to start. Think of these tools like power tools in a workshop. The tools themselves aren't valuable unless you use them to build something useful. Your value comes from combining these tools into a system that helps businesses grow. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where many freelancers struggle. Charging random hourly rates often leads to confusion and low income. A better approach is to productize your service.
Think of it like a restaurant menu. Instead of saying, "I charge hourly," you offer clear packages. For example, a basic package might include 12 AI-generated social media posts per month. A growth package might include posts plus short-form videos. A premium package might include a full AI-powered content system with scheduling and automation. This makes things easier for clients because they understand exactly what they're getting. It also helps you scale because you're repeating the same system for each client. Now, the big question everyone asks is how to find the first client. The good news is that you usually don't need ads. Most beginners land their first clients through simple outreach. Start by choosing a niche, like gyms, restaurants, real estate agents, or coaches. Then look at their websites or social media pages. If their content looks outdated, inconsistent, or poorly written, that's your opportunity. Over time, your biggest focus should be building systems that make your work faster. For example, you might create prompt templates that generate social media posts quickly. You might build a workflow that turns blog posts into multiple pieces of content. You might set up automations that schedule posts automatically. At first, a task might take several hours, but once you build a system, the same task might take 30 minutes. That's when a one-person AI agency becomes extremely powerful. And here's the interesting part. You don't necessarily need a team to scale. With AI handling research, writing, editing, and automation, one person can manage multiple clients efficiently. Some solo founders handle 10 or even 15 clients using simple workflows. Think about what that means financially. If each client pays between $500 and $1,000 per month, a single person can build a very strong income stream without managing employees or renting an office. So the main idea is simple. Building a one-person AI agency isn't about mastering every AI tool that appears online. It's about solving one valuable problem for businesses while using AI to work faster and smarter. Focus on a niche, create a simple, repeatable service, and consistently reach out to businesses that need help. If you stay consistent, you'll quickly realize that AI isn't just a productivity tool, it's a powerful leverage engine. If you found value in this breakdown, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more strategies on building online income with AI. And if you want to discover the exact AI services people are using to make money right now, check out the next video on your screen. It might give you your first profitable idea.